Hello guys, I will continue to talk about yo ending form. In addition to the regular changes, we have other variations. The first cases are to drop a vowel sound or make some combined vowel sound. Examples are here. 가다, in this video, I will just explain the rules without any sentence-based examples. Also, as time, if you watch the videos more, you will see more videos per each case of variations. So for now, in this video, I will explain the rules with the adjectives or verbs only without any context. Please be patient with me. 자, 가다's stem is 가, and then ends with a sound, so we add 아요, 아요. Do you see a sound redundant, so we drop one so 가요가 됩니다. 가요. 오다, stem, 오, ends with O sound, so we add 아요. 자, O sound, A sound, we have a compound vowel, 와. So the ending form is, your form is 와요. 주다, stem is 주, not O, not A sound, so we add 어요. 자, again, U sound, A sound, we have a compound vowel, so it is shortened to 줘요. tennis 치다, stem, 치, ends with E sound, so we add 어요. 자, E sound, sound, we shortened to 여 sound. 그래서, so the 치다's 요 form, it becomes 쳐요. 안녕하시다, stem is 안녕하시. 안녕하시다 is an 안녕하다's honorific form. honorific, to be well. 이렇게 되지. Okay. 안녕하다's honorific form by adding 시 to 안녕하다's stem 안녕하, it becomes an honorific form. You will learn later. But anyhow, in the case of 안녕하다 form, again 시 ends with vowel E sound, so we add 어요. But this case we combine she plus O together and we shorten to 세. So 안녕하시다's your form is the what becomes that you used to say 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요를 더합니다. Okay. 자, this time I prepared the, what about the rules here, so you can check it. 지내다, one exception입니다. one variation. 지내, stem. 지내다's stem is 지내, ends with 나도와, so we S sound, we add 어요, but 지내, we think that all sound sounds similar to here, so we just drop the 지내요. 자, next, irregular changes입니다. irregular change. The rule is very simple, and per each case, I will make a video later to explain those things, talk about more examples based on the sentence. 갑니다. First, if the stem ends with the sound, for example, 크다, stem 크, ends with is not O, not A sound, so we add 어요. But the sound bye-bye. So leftover is 커요. So 커요. But look at this one. 나쁘다. Stem is 나쁘, ends with So will be dropped. But the choice between 어요 and 아요 depends upon the syllable in front of this one. So in case of 크다, we just added 어요 because is not O, not A sound. However, when there is another syllable in front of final sound syllable, then the choice between 어요 and 아요 is decided by the condition of this one. look at this one. It has a sound. So we add ayo. So how? Na, ba, yo. That means if there is one more syllable in front of a sound, and then this one, the vowel sound is not o, not a, that means you have to add oyo. Okay? 자, when the stem ends with di귿. 자, 듣다, stem, 듣. Vowel sound is sound. So you are gonna add oyo. 자, 그런데 디귿 meets 이응, then 디귿 changes real. 그래서 the final your form is 들어요. 자, 빠르다. 자, in this case, 빠르다, in this case, there must be many different ways to explain this one, but I decided to say it this way. 빠르다, stem is 빠르, 갑니다. And the stem ends with l. The stem ends with l. Then choice of between the choice of between oyo and ayo is decided by the syllable in front. 자, this one is ends with a sound. So we are gonna add ayo, same as before. However, why we say irregular change? 자, in this case, same with above, sound bye-bye disappears, and then we add one more real. So I will say this way. When you see this one ends with the syllable in front of l ends with o sound or a sound, then add just simply liar and drop a sound. Then how? What is left? Right? So combine this one and this one. So combine these two. So 어떻게? 빨라요. Okay. In case for the words that has not a, not o, a syllable with vowels different from a or o in front of l, I'm gonna say add loyo. Add loyo. For example, 배부르다. To be full, I'm full. 배부르다. Stem 배부르. In front of l, and you do sound. Then bye bye, and then add loyo. 그래서 I'm full. So your form is 배 leftover. 러요. 배불러요. 자, 춥다. 춥다. What is 춥다? To be cold. 자, stem is 춥. 자, I will say the rule is either we have to add oyo or ayo, right? So not knowing which one should go with this one. Anyhow, 비음 meets 이응, either one. 비음 meets 이응, right? In this case, we take u sound for B. And then thinking starts from here. The conjugation rule starts from here. So 추, not o, not a. So we add what? 어요, 어요. So 우어. We talked about before. 워. So 추워요. Okay. 자, 갑니다. Last regular change. 가시자. 자, 어떻다. Stem 어떠. Ends with here. In this case, just drop drop vowel sound and here sound, just drop, and then add a yo sound. So what is left? The and ayo. So combine this one. 때. As you know, is filler, right? So 어때요. So 어때요. 그래요. 그래요 also comes from 그렇다. So drop both and add a요. So 그래요. 그래요가 되죠. Okay, this is all the irregular changes. But why students are confused? Because 어머나, 자, there are exceptions입니다. 봅니다. 자, 받다, 닫다, although they answered, the stem answered dig, dig doesn't change to real, right? So 받아요, 닫아요, exception. 자, 좁다, stem, 좁, answered pube, but pube doesn't change to u sound, 좁아요, following the regular change. 또, you know that 좋다, you said a lot, 좋아요, irregular change. I mean, following the regular change. So exception for this irregular changes. 많다, this one ends with double consonant, so 많아요. Just remember together. Okay, 감사합니다. For you, I prepared an exercise here. So give it a try. Try to answer. Write down your form for these examples. Then you can check the answers at the end of the video. 자, I'm gonna show you the video. So don't look at the video. I will 짜자잔 짠 짠. 오케이, 여기까지. 감사합니다.